In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge QuickBooks vendors seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're tidying up your records or optimizing your vendor list, this method is straightforward. We'll guide you through each step in about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to QuickBooks Online, your go-to platform for all things accounting. Once you are on their homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll spot the Sign In button, which we'll use to access your account. Clicking on this will prompt a login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure to enter your email and password carefully to avoid any login issues. After you've double checked your information, hit sign in again to proceed. Upon successful login, locate the expenses tab. It's your gateway to managing costs and vendors alike, and is typically found in the main navigation menu. Once you're there, switch your focus to the suppliers section. Click on it to display the list of all your current vendors. The next step is crucial. You need to identify the vendor profile you wish to merge. Click on this vendor's name to open their detailed profile page. Here you'll have a variety of options to edit and manage vendor information. Now look for the edit button within the vendor profile. Clicking it will enable you to change the vendor's display name. This is where you'll input the display name of the supplier you wish to merge with. Ensure the names match exactly to avoid any hiccups in the merging process. After you've entered the correct name, it's time to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. This action prompts a confirmation step to verify your changes, where you'll need to affirm by selecting Yes. And that's it. You've successfully merged your vendors in QuickBooks. This tidy solution helps streamline your vendor management, reducing duplicates and enhancing your accounting efficiency. Remember, when working with financial data, always double check each detail to maintain the integrity of your records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your QuickBooks experience. If you found this video useful, feel free to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.